Welcome to Daily Dose of Yoga, and today's practice is devoted to Heart Chakra. Come to your knees and place your hands on your lower back. Gently arch your heart skyward. Here in camel pose, this will open the chest and your shoulders, helping you release past emotional blocks, inviting in love and forgiveness. Make your way up as we come to Cobra pose. Lower down to your belly, hands beneath your shoulders. Lift your heart forward and up. Cobra strengthens the spine while softening your heart, supporting vulnerability, courage, and strength. Start to move to a seated forward fold. Sit tall and pull gently over your legs, grabbing your big toes with your fingers. Round your spine. Your heart is cradled, inviting you to look within and reconnect with compassion. Start to move to fish pose. Lean back onto your forearms. Gently arch your chest up towards the sky. Let your head rest. This stimulates the heart and the throat chakras, opening you to love, truth, and it's a great emotional release. Start to move to bridge pose. Press your feet into your mat as you lift your hips up. Clasp your hands at your ankles or under your back, palms pressing together. Bridge pose opens your chest and massages the heart region. This creates energetic flow, restoring emotional balance. Lower all the way down. We're going to move to a half Lord of the Fishes. Sit tall, cross one leg over the other, and twist towards your bent knee. This gently twists and wrings out emotional, stagnant. It helps realign the spine. Let's go ahead and switch sides, rotating up and over and twist. Reconnecting the heart and the body. Let's go ahead and place your arms out in front of you as you lower all the way down to your mat into bow pose. Go ahead and switch sides, lower all the way down as we lift into wheel pose. Lie on your back, place your hands by your ears, and press into a full back bend. Wheel pose fully activates the heart center, empowering deep release, lots of joy, and emotional expansion here. Keep breathing, lower all the way down. And then let's move all the way back down again, and we'll move to a plow pose. Let your legs hang over, and your toes may find the earth behind you. I don't really want to touch the ground. This inward fold calms the nervous system and integrates the heart opening. It's going to help support emotional harmony. You can try a couple times plow pose. Let's do that again. Or just take a rest here. And we'll move to an upward plank. Place your hands behind you as you lift your hips up. Start to move to an upward plank. Sit with your legs extended. Place your hands behind you and lift your hips and your heart towards the sky. This pose strengthens the heart and shoulder space. Let's start to move to Lord of the Dance pose. Come to the back of your mat. Stand up nice and tall. Bend one knee and reach back for your foot. Extend your opposite arm up. And when you're ready, go ahead and lean forward, kicking into your palm of your hand. As you reach forward, extend. This is a really good heart opener. That balance is going to invite grace and trust. If you fall out, it's okay. Come back up. Lower all the way down. And then we'll switch sides. You might get a little wobbly, that's okay. Focus on a spot up ahead. And when you're ready, you can move into your dancer's pose. Kick, kick, extend out. Feel this powerful tool that's used to heal the heart chakra. Focus. Continue to extend. Come to your knees for a gate pose. Stand on one knee as you reach your arm up and over, extending your leg out to the side. Gate pose opens the side body and your heart. Go ahead and switch sides, standing on one knee. Extend opposite leg out as you rainbow up and over. This encourages receptive and gentle expansion. Come back to both knees and do that a second time. Expands the chest and lifts the heart. Switch sides, standing on one knee, extend your leg out as you arch over. This cultivates both strength and softness. Go ahead and move to cow face pose. Extend your arms out as you cross your legs. Reach one arm up overhead, behind your neck, trying to connect your hands. This pose softens the shoulders and connects the emotional heart with the physical body. Go ahead and extend your arms out, switch sides. Keep your elbow straight up towards the sky and opposite elbow towards the ground. Feel your breath move freely in this pose. Extend your arms out. Our chakras are like energetic bridges, linking your mind, body, and spirit. A balanced heart chakra lets you love freely, forgive gently, and live from a place of truth. As you leave your mat today, carry this with you.